basically what I did here is I put a 2x4 here and 2x4 here, but left it far enough back to where there's a gap there. So this piece here, I can actually take the whole thing out and just simply slide it in, and boom. And then I just put a little pulley here, and it goes through the hole, and to the outside to where we can open and close the coop. And I also just recently put this little piece on here to keep us from pulling this thing up too far, and so it kind of stops it. And then it's pretty simple, and I just put a little block on there with the little eye screw on it and tied the rope to that. So this should be pretty easy to fix if we ever need to. And on the outside, just put a little hook here just to tie the rope up, and pretty much just the weight of the door closes the door. So if I open it up, boom, and then just the weight of it. This is Rudy, the rooster.